morning, welcome back to our channel. I am Annabelle, 1/5. I was just wondering, I don't know whether we decided what the amount is yet, but yeah, I am the mother. I'm just wondering. I am at the allotment today with Bodhi. We are transporting some wood, which you can see behind. Yeah, do you see yourself? Boo! Transporting some wood over because we are going to be starting to look at building our own shed, because we put our minds to it and thought, I think we can build it cheaper than what we would buy, and it would be better for what we would need. So that will be fun to document eventually. But yeah, I'm transporting the wood over, so it'll be interesting to see how big it looks for what we've got our minds set to. So yeah, let's start by getting it out of the van, I think. Let's go see what these look like then, yeah? Say hiya! It's not hiya, it's just grabbing. Hi! Whoa, look at this. I mean, we dug up a rhubarb plant, but look. Look! Oh, I've just broken it. I mean, is it edible? Is that? What if it tastes like that? Is that what rhubarb tastes like? If it is, it's not for me. We've got rhubarb though growing out of bin bags. I don't think we've got any in the ground anymore, which is yay, rhubarb bin bags. There's like loads, come on. Oh, it's exciting. I suppose we could transplant it somewhere else. Anyway, back to what we were doing. Back to what we were doing. Looks like one of our rosemary in the wind has broken. I suppose we should lock that off. It's not happy, is it? Right, anyway, I need to clear this a little bit, I think, so I'm going to try and do that first, and then we'll get on to the posts, because this is where they're going to go. So yeah, let's try and clear this up a little bit. So I've just managed to clear all the glass and all the bricks from here, which is looking a lot neater. Hello! Hello! I can see your teeth from here. So I now need to bring that massive pile of wood, kind of put it here-ish now. Right, so all the wood is here. It's the base of our new shed that we're going to build. Pallets and these beams I think we're going to do. Big cheeky boy, aren't you? I don't know if you can see this frame here. It's about the same size as that square. So it'll be a really nice size shed if we can build it. Anyone that's built a pallet shed before, please let us know, because we think we will be able to do it. Putting some more pebbles down underneath, raising it up and then going for it. Wishful thinking, hey. And then this bit will all be the lawn, so the kids can run around. I don't know, let's just do a little bit more chipping, because obviously going down, what's it called, mulching, so I kind of may as well. So I think I might do a little bit more of that. Or I might have a look at the trees. What do you think? What do you think? Dada is at work. Dada, his favourite person. And he Bodhi cam. Bodhi cam. You got it. That's quite enough, isn't it? Oh! He's learnt to frown, it's very funny. Yeah, I might do a little bit of chipping and then I'll show you what I've done. I have moved some chip about, let me show you, and just refilled some of the beds again because, hello, it's actually composting, look, can you see how dark it's gone? So it was like all this green and now it's gone to like, I mean, I presume that's a good thing. I know it was going to compost quickly because it's obviously got a lot of green in it, and it's sitting, basically incubating itself. But so just filled these up a little bit more, emptied that compost so we could use it next time we come. We need to cut this there and then sort all this out. And then what I've done is, no, pruned a couple of these just so that they're, like, see there, just so that they're not overcrowded. I still think they might need a bit of work, but we want it to we want it to look quite enclosed so that when we're in the shed or on the grass we're not always disturbed, because we want it to be like a garden, a nice little safe space for Bodhi and just somewhere that we can come and relax too. Look at this. It's like my brain. Leaning tower, can't do it two-handed. Wait. Leaning tower shed. Takes two hands to close, hang on. Right, got there in the end, we're locked. But yeah, it's coming along really quickly now. We need to get some borders in for the grass this side, like along there, and then level it off a bit more, stamp it all in, put the seeds in, stamp all that in, hopefully it grows. Do another fire there, and then start filling with soil. I think greenhouse has been put on hold because the glass keeps smashing. We want to get poly, but need to order that and want to wait to do that anyway. But yeah, it's exciting. Next couple of vlogs you'll be seeing us filling the beds with soil and then planting our first seedlings, as I sowing into the soil, which will be fun to see them grow. And yeah, it's exciting. But yeah, bye for now, see you in the next one.